announced the completion of democracy. When World War I began, soldiers formed a human Liberty Bell. By the 1950s, people from around the world.
Destined to go down in history as one never to be forgotten for its herald beginning of liberation for the countless millions of enslaved peoples.
But the 60s also brought great unrest. While the Vietnam War raged overseas, the civil rights movement reached a boiling point back home.
We have 20 minutes until the building closes.
We have to go to the visitor center.
Oh yeah, Thandela, Liberty Bell. Shidigi Tivu, Sigurwa, Rawang Tivu.
Formed a human Liberty Bell to use its soaring popularity
Hansa Yadama Yagudo.
to help sell war bonds. Became America's Liberty Bell. After a long and bloody civil war, slavery was abolished throughout the United States. John Nixon gave the first public reading on the Declaration of Independence.
Oh, la so ta train ke cham cham dosa de na ba chalo nyen dong ji so ta ji che yin. Oh, ta de train ke nyen dong de da ga ran jam sha ge yin. Ta de lor ju de mang bo ji she de ke kuch me do chama ke chen se da re. Liberty Bell se do. New York la ye be she de la mo ye wa Statue of Liberty. Ta na jing ge de she de ge 아니 저거 어디랑래 아니 니마 토마직래 칠로니마 시타라마송 데데투 jilu tesha darin tuzu takta leni nanglo taya raso ani nangla yongdo jodo gani tigar tang tinte kaya goya mendo pe tab dewo resha shuayi laso tini nyendo jime nana jeyo tuche nang